Are you a trade finance professional looking to earn passive income? Well, let's delve into the world of passive income, a financial strategy that lets you earn money even when you are not actively working. It is an essential tool for achieving financial freedom and a great way to diversify your income. For those in trade finance, your expertise is a gold mine. You can leverage it to create multiple stream of income complementing your primary job or business. Trade finance professionals can earn passive income through freelancing by leveraging their expertise in various ways. Let's delve into the different ways you can earn passive income. As a trade finance professional, you can possess a wealth knowledge that are valuable in the marketplace. One way to capitalize on this is through consulting services. Platforms like Upwork or Freelancer provide an excellent opportunity to offer guidance on trade finance strategies, risk management, or regulatory compliance. You can set your own hours and rates, making it a flexible source of income. Next, consider creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to develop and sell courses on topics like letter of credit, trade finance instruments, or international trade law. You are effectively monetizing your expertise, reaching a global audience, and earning income each time someone enrolls. Another option is writing ebooks or guides on trade finance topics. These can be sold on Amazon Kindle or through your personal websites. This allows you to offer valuable insights and practical tips for businesses involved in global trade, all the while earning royalties on each sale. Now, let's think about blogging and content creation. Starting a blog or YouTube channel focused on trade finance can be a great way to engage with an audience and monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored contents, or ad revenue. Virtual assistant services are another avenue to explore. Here, you can offer support with documentation, communication, or research tasks to businesses involved in trade finance. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you could offer translation services for trade related documentation or communications. This can be a valuable asset in global trade transactions. You can also leverage your skills in financing modeling by creating models and analysis templates tailored to the trade finance industry. You can sell those on online platforms like Gumroad or directly to businesses. Investing in peer to peer lending platforms that specialize in trade finance can also generate passive income through interest payments on funded trade transactions. Affiliate marketing is another opportunity. Here, you promote trade finance related products or services and earn commissions for referrals. And finally, if you have a knack on photography, consider selling high quality stock photos related to trade finance on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. By diversifying income streams and tapping into their expertise, trade finance professionals can generate passive income through freelancing while complementing their primary job or business. So, are you ready to take the leap and start earning passive income? The potential for trade finance professionals to leverage their expertise and diversify income stream is immense. Whether it is consulting, creating online courses, or even selling high quality stock photos, each opportunity is a step towards financial freedom. So, why wait? Start exploring these opportunities today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on passive income and financial freedom. Thank you for watching.